there's also like toe indents in these shoes. Hello, I'm Lindsay from Have Clothes Will Travel. I share style and shopping content as well as travel guides, and for today's video I'm going to be talking about Shopbop. Shopbop is an online fashion store that features a wide variety of brands and designers that range from luxury to affordable. Shopbop is also owned by Amazon, which means that you can hook up your Amazon Prime membership and get the same benefits for shipping as you would with Amazon. The order that I'm going to be showing you today is my first order that I've ever placed with Shopbop, and I don't know why I've waited so long because they have so many cool things on their website. Shopbop box. First up, I got these Cult Gaia sandals. These are my sandals. Oh, aren't they cool? I love them. They have this invisible heel, which is super trippy to look at. Love it. But this is so disappointing. Somebody had to have had these shoes before me, or at least I hope that was the case. And I'm going to show you why I think this. These straps are already fraying. Right here, all along here, and here it's fraying as well. Oh, and this heel is like all scuffed. It looks like someone had walked around in these too. You can kind of see on the bottom here. Okay, I don't know if you can see this as well as I can see this, but there's also like toe indents in these shoes because somebody had worn them enough to make a toe indent. That is very disappointing. And here's the thing. These are not cheap sandals by any means. I had gotten them on sale, but if you were to go on Shopbop's website right now, these are $548 sandals. $548 for a pair of sandals that are questionable quality at best. And I'm really hoping this is just an oversight on Shopbop's part to send sandals that are in this rough of condition because they were overwhelmed with the sale event. I'm going to keep trying to give them the benefit of the doubt on this. I'm going to try again with these. I'm going to exchange them for the exact same pair because I did try them on. I just tried them on to make sure that the size was correct. And just FYI, these are true to size. I'm typically a size 8 in US sizes. These are a size 38 and they do fit me perfectly. So we'll see how the exchange process goes. Fingers crossed. Next up, I had ordered some super fun earrings. These are some gold fan earrings by Kenneth J. Lane. I think these are also very cool, and I had ordered these because I thought they would match real nice with my sandals. Here's the thing with these earrings though. I already tried these on because I was really excited about these as well. These have to be the heaviest earrings that I have ever worn in my entire life. Like, my earlobe just about hits my shoulder when I have these on. I'm exaggerating a little bit, but I'm going to show you just how heavy these earrings are. So, got the earrings on. I don't know if you can see, like, this is what my earlobe normally looks like, and then this is what it looks like with these earrings on. Like, it's like, whew. These are really heavy earrings. I wanted to keep these earrings so bad. I know this is way too heavy and it'll drive me nuts and I won't be able to wear them. I'm just going to return them because I'm pretty sure that all the other earrings that are this size are also going to be heavy, so I'm not going to bother with exchanging these. And I had also ordered a pair of flip-flops, which, I mean, you can't really screw up rubber flip-flops. These are a winner. I'll be keeping these flip-flops. I'm going to send a couple things back to Shopbop, and then I will come back to finish this video and let you know how easy or how painful the return and exchange process was with Shopbop.
3 days later.
Little did I know that Shopbop doesn't actually let you do exchanges. What they want you to do is just return your item and then buy whatever that you wanted to exchange it for. But I had bought these sandals on sale, so if I were to buy them again now, I would have to pay full price for them, which I didn't want to do. So I sent an email to Shopbop's customer service to let them know my issue, and they got back to me within a few hours and they were super apologetic. So they sent me a replacement pair right then and there, even though I hadn't started the return process yet with the worn shoes. So that was really nice of them. I was very impressed with how kind and apologetic they were and how quick they were to make the situation right. And I know you're probably thinking, well, Lindsey, you have a blog and now also a YouTube channel where you review clothing sites. Of course they were nice to you. But here's the thing, I promise that I had used my personal email account, which has nothing to do with my blog or my social media channels. I didn't use an email signature either, so I was just another random customer to Shopbop. So it was a very good customer service experience and I was really impressed with it. This ended up being a little bit longer of an ordeal. A full week had gone by since I had gotten an email confirmation from Shopbop saying that they had received these returned earrings and were beginning the return process. This full week had gone by and I still hadn't heard anything from Shopbop about what was going on. So I sent them another email to see what the status was of my return. They get back to me again within a few hours and they were super apologetic, saying sorry, they were looking into it. So I got an email again the next day that they had issued a refund to my account, and I just asked them like what was going on. They simply said that they were backed up right now, and typically when they do returns they ask for 5 business days for it to be processed, so this was an exceptionally long case and they were sorry. Also, something to note about Shopbop returns. If you don't return it within 15 days, they will charge you an extra $10 off of your return. So you have 30 days to send an item back to Shopbop, but for the return to actually be free, you have to send it back within 15 days or you'll lose $10. Just an FYI. So I have a brand new pair of sandals now. Very excited. These are indeed brand new too. There was no signs of wear on these babies when I took them out of the package. So I am super excited about that. I did realize though that the previous pair that I had gotten that were worn were also broken in for me, because despite these being the exact same size as the previous pair, these are a little harder to squeeze my wide feet into. But I've been wearing them around my house just to kind of break them in. And the plus side to having had that whole worn shoe experience is now that I know after I wear them for a while, they do eventually break in and they will fit my feet perfectly. So that was a plus side. Overall, I am super happy with my replacement sandals. I can't wait to get some more use out of them this summer. I am super impressed with how Shopbop's customer service had handled this situation. Despite getting off to a bit of a bumpy start, their customer service did make up for it. I was very happy with how well they handled this situation and how quick they handled the situation as well. Because of this, I am willing to try shopping with Shopbop again in the future. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out in the comments section. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more shopping and clothing reviews like this one.